in the real tropical jungle. It's a big secret. People say some of the coolest monster trucks are hiding here. Let's go find them together. Come on, let's run.
Let's go!
Wow, I think I found the first one. Do you see it? It's Mega Rex.
Mega Rex!
So cool, we found him.
Yes!
Let's keep going and see what else we can find. Look, friends, a big cave.
Whoa!
Let's see who lives inside. Maybe scorpions. They love hiding under rocks. Let's take a look. Do you see anyone? There he is. We found him. Look how funny he's sitting there.
Scorpedo!
Scorpions are poisonous, so we have to be careful. Let's keep going. More adventures are waiting. Oh no!
Oh no!
Look what happened. The cave fell down and the rocks covered the monster truck. He needs help.
Rhino mine!
His wheels are gone. Oh no, what should we do? What happened? Let's call someone to help us. I have an idea. Hello? Who needs help? Hello? We need help. One of our monster trucks broke down. We need the biggest six-wheeled monster truck ever. Let's go find him. Maybe he's over here. Do you see something?
Yes!
Scelesaurus.
We need your help, big buddy. Can you help us fix our truck? Of course. Put him on my back. I'll take him to the workshop and he'll be good as new. Friends, there's one last place we didn't explore yet. The water. Do you hear that? Something's bubbling. There's definitely someone hiding there. Let's go check. But first, I need the chain. I'm ready. I'm going deep underwater to find the last monster truck. It's deep here. I think I see something. I found him. It's Piranha.
Piranha.
Bye-bye, friends. I hope you liked this adventure. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.